As we learned in another clip, site owners can create custom content types with common metadata. In this example, we'd like to ensure sales proposal documents are organized with the same information. This way, as proposals are uploaded or created, members will enter the customer name and select the proposal status, making it easier to find proposals across multiple subsites. We'll make this possible by creating a custom site content type. It's important to note that where you create content types determines where they can be used. Here, we're going to create a site content type in the sales team site, which makes it available only on this site and its subsites. Content types that need to be available to the maximum number of sites can be created in the top-level site collection by those with site collection administration rights. No matter where they're created, the steps to make a custom content type are the same. Start in Site Settings. Then locate the Web Designer Galleries section and Site Content Types. The Site Content Types page shows the standard built-in content types organized by groups. Use the Create link at the top of the page, and in the new content type page, enter a name and description. New custom content types inherit basic fields from another parent content type, typically one of the standard built-in types. Under the parent content type, we'll choose the one that most matches our need. Since we're dealing with documents, we'll select the Document Content Types group. Then choose the generic document. Down below, we'll keep the Custom Content Types selection as the category. After we click OK, the new content type is created and the Details page appears. Here, the Settings section has links to manage the content type. Under the Columns section are the basic site columns inherited from the parent document content type. To track sales proposals, we're going to need a couple of new custom columns. We can create them right here by choosing Add from New Site Column. Let's enter Customer Name in the Column field and keep Single Line of Text selected. Site columns are also categorized by group, and we'll keep Custom Columns selected. We'll click OK, and the new column is added to the content type. Repeating the process, let's add another choice column for proposal status. With this column, we'll enter the choices to categorize our document. And we're done for now. In another clip, we'll see how to associate our new sales proposal content type with document libraries, so site members can start using it.